How to unlock Cash App themes. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to unlock Cash App themes. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are options and sections that you can use to get access to different features of the app. From there, scroll down and come to Account and Settings. Under the section, there are various options and sections that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. Next, look for an option named Themes. Here is the option. Make sure you tap on it. This page then appears where you will see different themes that you can use to apply to your Cash App account. Once you tap on it, you will need to order the theme and it will appear as if it were your debit card. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to unlock Cash App themes.